Start.
Good afternoon. Today myself Soumya. Today my topic is the Fibonacci sequence and its occurrence in nature. Today my topic is introduction of the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence were first discovered by the Leonardo Pisano. He was known by his nickname Fibonacci. The Fibonacci sequence, the sequence in which terms in sum of the two numbers is preceding it. The Fibonacci number was defined by the recurrency relation defined by the equation Fn equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2, where F1 equal to 1 and F2 equal to 1, where Fn is represented by the Fibonacci number. And the Fibonacci sequence elaborately written as 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. Thank you.
My name is Navya. This study project is analysis of the mathematics concept of Fibonacci sequence and spiral connected with environment, nature, trees and flowers, human body, art, architecture, music and which is useful to for research professionals. This project is main aim to build a wonderful mathematical concept and learn new ideas to improve knowledge of the students. Teachers all create scientific knowledge of this content and research professionals develop new materials tools of this content. Recently, Fibonacci sequence and golden ratio are of great interest to the researchers in many fields of science, including high energy physics, quantum mechanics, cryptography, and coding. Sunflowers providing a great example of.
This is Vishnu and fingerprint, and in this Fibonacci sequence we have used many times as biometric and authentication of in the banks and accounts as like schools and many more. And field surgeries like golden ratio by using the golden ratio. All the scientists also used by the golden ratio and betting system like cards or many more online games like that only. And by the sequence of 1 1 and 2 3 5 2 and sequence are like by using the only Fibonacci sequence only and Pascal triangles. By the many of the companies and also many of the logos created by the Fibonacci sequence, like the Apple, and this is the one of the most used by the Fibonacci sequence and Twitter and Pepsi logos and retracement. Like every retracement depends on the Fibonacci ratios number, and when a star increases or decreases by the in the Fibonacci sequence, many of will end that depends upon the Fibonacci sequence only.
Okay. We are observing some. Myself Swati. We are observing some practical cases for finding of Fibonacci numbers and spiral forms in the following. Human exhibit Fibonacci characteristics. Every human has two hands. Each one of these has five fingers and each finger has three parts which are separated by two nucleus. All of these numbers fit into the sequence. Fibonacci Day, celebrated on November 23 because when this date is seen in the MMT format, example 11 by 23, the numbers in the date form a Fibonacci sequence. In conclusion, we are math students, we are observing after we are going to realize that what learning classroom are built in the outside of the classroom. Many things in nature or civilization can be described using numbers, patterns, and such that Fibonacci sequence happen to describe some of nature's most significant designs. Moreover, the Fibonacci spiral still appeal today the designing website other big structures. Finally, the beauty of numbers are Fibonacci sequence which are followed spiral forms which also beauty of mathematics in nature.
Well,
Thank you.